Hi everybody, this is our daily agenda for Thursday, March 29th. Today is odds. Alright, so today for Exploratory, we are continuing on with our digital portfolios. Those are going to be due this weekend. I want to make sure you guys stop and reflect, make sure that your reflections are in 2 to 3 complete sentences. You did not just write one word at the end of each sentence. If you need help answering these questions, the example has a few sentences that might help you get started. The slide check. Hyperlinks. Your hyperlinks should say the name of each assignment. Do not just leave the link in each section. If you need help hyperlinking, use the example with directions. Okay? So it needs to be written like this, not big link like that. Slide check. Screenshots. Please make sure your screenshots are of your actual work. Don't make sure that they're not cover pages, not from your phone. Make sure they are actual work. These are what's going to be due in your digital portfolios. And then down in our daily agenda, so that's where I'm seeing this all from, I kind of found them all for you. So if you're like, Mr. Nellis, where's the digital vision board? You can find it this way, all right? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as always, if you have any questions or need more information, please reach out to me, reach out to Ms. Royal, and we'll see how we can help you. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class.